Hello, and welcome to this quick video demonstration of the exomuscle. The exomuscle can be inflated with compressed air, providing shoulder abduction support. Once inflated, the exomuscle allows free rotation of the elbow, shoulder horizontal abduction, and shoulder internal-external rotation. Shoulder adduction can then be handled by removing the pressurized air from the exomuscle. Now, we'll quickly go over how to construct your very own exomuscle. We begin with 4 pieces of fabric just like this. We can then lay one on top of the other and connect them by sewing a seam along this dashed line. Next, we'll add another piece of fabric on top of the 2 we've just sewn together and fold the bottom piece of fabric out of the way so that we can now attach the top 2 pieces together by sewing a seam along these top edges. Then, we'll flip the whole thing over and add the final piece of fabric. Then, we'll fold the bottom 2 pieces out of the way again so that we can then attach the top 2 flaps together by sewing along the top edges here. Then, we can connect all 4 pieces of fabric together by sewing along the long edge, the curved edge, and part of the way across the bottom. Once we've finished sewing, we end up with something that looks like this. This bag has 3 internal chambers, but we're primarily interested in the 2 outside chambers. These connect up to a split on the top part of the exomuscle, which allows for stable support of the arm. We also need to make an airtight bladder that can be inserted into the bag. We do this simply by inserting a plastic tube into a plastic bag and heat sealing it closed. We can then insert the completed bladders into the 2 outside pockets of the bag sewn earlier. Once completed, our exomuscle looks like this. We can also attach sleeves and straps to it in order to hold it in place on the wearer.